The first step is to open a Play Store on your cell phone. Then search for Dips Academy app. Then just click on Dips Academy and install it after agreeing on terms and conditions. Once it is installed on your cell phone, just tap on the Dips icon. There you go. Now you can start learning everything about maths. First of all, fill your login ID and password to begin with. On your student ID, please type hyphen after 2 initial digits to log in successfully. Once you are logged in, you have all the access to Dips app. On the top left, you will get a QOD option, which means question of the day. Here you will get new questions to solve every day. You can click on the right option and submit your answer. On the menu, you get Test Center. Just tap on Test Center and you will get test paper. Here you can solve all the questions and submit the test. You will get the test result on the result option. Once you submit your test, you won't be able to see that paper you submitted. On My Classes, you can know about your class schedule. On Study Material, you have access to all the questions with its solutions. On the assignment section, you can solve your assignments. Just click on your answer and see the right answer which is on the back of your question. You can also change the font size. On News and Events, you will know about all the latest news and events about Dips. Now, click on Videos section. Here, you will get all the previous and latest videos of Dips Academy. On the main menu, you will get Ask Me option. Here, you can select the subject and share your feedback of that subject. You can also ask questions. On the second slide, you will see other centers of Dips Academy. You can also share this app with your friends.